Metal, how we doing, kids? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. We're going to unbox this sweet new digital Carrera car, which is Dirty Dave's car. But first, I'd like to say, if you're new here, please smash that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Helps the channel out, doesn't cost you anything. If you end up liking this video, please give us the thumbs up and leave a comment below. We reply to all comments. So, let's get started. Okay, kids, are you ready? Here it is. The beautiful Tomaso Pantera Group 5 Panther Brau number 22. I took the liberty of slicing this open already. I'll get this baby out on the turntable now. Check it out. She is so beautiful. All right. We'll be back. All right, before we get to the turntable, I want to point out something really quick here on this car. I don't know if they're all this way. Maybe some of you other Pantera guys can confirm or not, but it actually has the removable panels for the magnets below, which is interesting. I went ahead and popped this open while we were pausing, and it doesn't have a shim in there, which is interesting like the other cars. Dave's AMG that we just unboxed actually did have the shim in the wrong place. And we fixed that, and I forgot to mention that in the video. I'll have to mention that in the comments. But anyway, just an interesting factoid, and look at those tires, man. That is sweet. So there's the bottom. A good look at the bottom for y'all. The Carrera number and what have you. So sensor, switch, usual stuff. All right, let's get her on the turntable. All right, look at this beautiful Tomaso Pantera Panther Brau. It is just a beautiful, beautiful car. It doesn't have a ton of advertisement liveries and on that, and I actually like that. I really like the lettering on the Panther Brau. Very cool. I'm not sure if this is actually holes in the hood of these cars or not, but it's got texture, so it looks like it might. Very, very cool. Just a beautiful car. We got your driver's name up there, then your Panther Brau, your 22 on that. Very cool. I'm going to take this off here so we can get a better look at the sides and the front and those beautiful wheels. The gold wheels really work on this car. It really does. And I love the fact that it doesn't have a ton of livery. Beautiful tail section there. Really nice tail lights when it's on the track too. So I really like this car. Dave is the king of the green cars. So a very, very cool car. All right. So that is that unboxing. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll take it in there and put it on the track too and finish it out. So we'll be reconvene at the track. All right, I'm doing a couple quick laps with it. You can see those taillights really good. The headlights on all the Group 5s are a little harder to see in my opinion. The taillights are choice on this though. This car's not broken in any way. I did slap a guide on it real quick. We don't have tires on it yet. Oh, we went off the track. Oops, I keep going off. Track's probably dirty too, so yeah, the taillights look choice, man. So she's a beautiful car. We'll bring her around here and wrap this bad boy up. Yeah, we still got to take this one apart and everything, so there you go, the Panther Brau. She's just a really, really nice car. Oh, sorry, there we go. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to this unboxing and quick little track run from ToJu Racing. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We appreciate it. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'll reply back. See you later, slot cowboys. Race on. Remember, there is no wrong way to slot car, and be a kid as often as possible. Bye-bye.